What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2022 Ford F-150 Lariat with blue exterior, black interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 98 kilowatt per hour usable extended range battery paired with a single-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include intelligent access, dual climate control, pre-collision braking, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle or would like to book you for a test drive, join us at islandford.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. This is the front. It gives you more room for storage because you don't have an engine. You have a motor, a 98 kilowatt per hour usable standard range battery paired with a single-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You've got storage below as well, tie downs in all 4 corners, a 120 volt outlet and different outlets, and lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the front area. And when you're done, just press the button above. Here it will close it for you, and let's take a look inside. This vehicle is fully electric, and this is your charging port. Just press it and open it. This is a level 2 charger, and this will be completely blue, letting you know it's fully charged. When you're done, just close it and you're ready to head out. Storage and speaker with the B&O badging in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. A grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar and multi-contour seating. All-weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badging, your electronic parking brake and light controls, as well as your front release. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. This interstack features a touch screen with your 4-pass connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. It's a 360-degree one, making sure you see all angles of the vehicle. Now I'm gonna put it back in parking. Below, your dual climate control system with heated seats and steering wheel, air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Your defrost controls hazard light, parking assist, and traction control, a wireless charging pad, and a little bit of room for storage, as well as USB and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial that can be folded down when you're done driving or folded up when you want to drive. 2 cup holders, a console with storage below and USB-C charging ports, and that can be folded down on the other side to become a dining table or for your workspace. A 12 volt and 120 volt outlet. 2 glove compartments, your sun visor, sunglass holder, rear window controls, light controls, and universal garage opener. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, your charging port, running boards, body color door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry pad, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors. In the rear, the clearance light with integrated camera. Your box is 5 foot long, and your backup camera is below the F-150 badging. Trailer tow hitch, sensors on the back bumper, and a step making it easy to access the cargo bag. To open your tailgate, just press the button. Here it opens it for you, and you've got an extra step, and you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, 120 volt outlet and different outlets, and lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo bag. And when you're done, just pull your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker with the B&O badging in the door, power windows for added convenience, a grab handle in the body. The seating is for 3, and to maximize your in-cabin storage, you can fold your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up. When you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, an armrest with 2 cup holders, all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, 2 cup holders, your air vents and a 12 volt outlet, 120 volt outlet, and USB-C charging ports, a grab handle behind the driver's seat, hooks and dome light, and your rear powered window. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, running boards, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal blind spot monitoring in a camera, halogen headlights, sensors on the front bumper, tow hooks and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.